Picture this. You're out for your daily walk. Your knees are complaining, your back feels stiff, and halfway through, you're already wondering if this is really helping or just wearing you down. Here's the truth most doctors won't tell you. Walking is good, but after 60, it's not enough, not by itself. What if I told you there's a single practice that builds everything walking does, plus balance, joint health, mental clarity, and even helps manage chronic pain, all while being gentler on your body than a stroll around the block? Sounds impossible, right? It's called Tai Chi. And before you think that's not for me or I'm not flexible enough, hear me out. Because what I'm about to share isn't some fitness trend. It's a movement practice that's kept people strong, steady, and independent well into their 80s and 90s for over 2,000 years. And the best part? You don't need balance to start. You don't need strength. You don't even need to get down on the floor. You just need to be willing to move slowly, with intention. Surgeons are now recommending Tai Chi to their patients over traditional exercise. Physical therapists are using it in fall prevention programs, and research from Harvard, Johns Hopkins, and the Mayo Clinic has confirmed what practitioners have known for centuries. This gentle movement heals. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what Tai Chi is, why it outperforms walking for people over 60, and teach you 3 beginner-friendly moves you can start today. By the end, you'll understand why this might be the missing piece in your health routine. So, if you've been searching for something that doesn't hurt your joints, doesn't require a gym, but actually makes you feel stronger and more alive, stay with me. And hey, before we dive in, drop a comment below and let me know, do you currently walk for exercise? And if so, how's it really working for you? I read every comment.
What is Tai Chi? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Tai Chi? Tai Chi, pronounced Tai Chi, is an ancient Chinese movement practice that looks like slow-motion martial arts. You've probably seen people doing it in parks, moving their arms and legs in flowing, graceful patterns. But don't let the gentle appearance fool you. This is one of the most powerful exercises you can do after 60. Originally developed as a martial art, Tai Chi combines 3 things that most modern exercise completely ignores: coordinated movement, breath control, and mental focus. You're not just moving your body, you're training your brain, calming your nervous system, and rebuilding the connection between your mind and muscles. Think of it as meditation in motion. Unlike walking, which is repetitive and mostly forward-focused, Tai Chi moves your body in every direction, side to side, rotating, shifting weight, reaching up and down. This matters because life doesn't happen in a straight line. You twist to look behind you in the car, you reach for something on a shelf, you step sideways to avoid a puddle. Tai Chi trains your body for real life, not just the treadmill. And here's what makes it perfect for people over 60. It's completely adaptable. You can do it sitting in a chair, standing with support, or fully on your feet. There's no wrong way to start. You meet yourself where you are, and you build from there. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This seems too easy to actually work. And that's exactly why it does. Because after 60, your body doesn't need more pounding, more impact, more stress. It needs smart movement, intentional movement, movement that restores instead of depletes. Tai Chi is that movement. Why Tai Chi beats walking after 60. So let's get to the heart of it. Why is Tai Chi better than walking, especially after 60? Don't get me wrong, walking is good. It gets you outside, it moves your legs, and it's better than sitting on the couch. But here's what walking doesn't do. 1. Walking doesn't prevent falls. Tai Chi does. This is huge. 1 in 4 adults over 65 falls every year, and falls are the leading cause of injury-related death in seniors. Walking strengthens your legs, sure, but it doesn't train your balance, your reaction time, or your body's ability to catch itself when something goes wrong. Tai Chi does all 3. Research published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that Tai Chi reduces falls by nearly 50%. Why? Because every movement in Tai Chi requires you to shift your weight slowly and deliberately. You're constantly training your body to stabilize, adjust, and stay upright even when off balance. You're not just building muscle, you're rebuilding your body's internal balance system, the part that quietly stops working as we age. And here's the kicker. Tai Chi improves balance without the fear of falling. You're always in control. You're never on one leg for too long. You can hold on to a chair if needed. It's safe, progressive, and it works. Number 2, walking can hurt your joints. Tai Chi heals them. If you've got arthritis, bad knees, or hip pain, you know that walking isn't always comfortable. The repetitive impact, especially on hard pavement, can aggravate inflammation and wear down cartilage over time. Tai Chi is different. Because the movements are slow and controlled, there's no jarring impact. In fact, studies show Tai Chi reduces joint pain and stiffness better than standard physical therapy for osteoarthritis. The gentle, flowing motions lubricate your joints, increase circulation, and strengthen the muscles around your knees and hips without grinding them down. It's like oiling a door hinge instead of slamming it over and over. You're getting stronger without the wear and tear. Number 3, walking is just legs. Tai Chi is full body. When you walk, you're mostly using your legs. Your arms swing a bit, sure, but your core, your upper body, your coordination, they're just along for the ride. Tai Chi engages everything. Your legs support you. Your core stabilizes you. Your arms move in coordination with your torso. Your eyes track your hands, your breath syncs with your motion. This full-body integration is what keeps you functional as you age. It's not just about strong legs. It's about a body that works together, smoothly and efficiently, the way it was designed to. Number 5, Tai Chi calms your nervous system. Walking, well, doesn't always. Walking is great for clearing your head, but it doesn't directly calm your nervous system the way that Tai Chi does. The slow, deliberate breathing paired with gentle movement activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mode. This lowers cortisol, reduces anxiety, improves sleep, and even helps manage blood pressure. Think of it as a reset button for your entire system, not just your muscles. So, when I say Tai Chi is better than walking after 60, I'm not saying stop walking. I'm saying add Tai Chi, because it fills in all the gaps walking leaves behind. Balance, joint health, cognitive function, and inner calm. It's the complete package.
3 simple Tai Chi moves to start today. All right, let's get practical. I'm going to teach you 3 foundational Tai Chi moves that are perfect for beginners. You can do these standing or seated, whatever feels comfortable. Move 1, cloud hands. Yun Shui. This is one of the most calming, centering movements in Tai Chi. It improves balance, opens your chest, and gently works your core. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Knees soft, not locked. Shift your weight onto your right foot. Let your left foot stay light. Raise your right hand in front of your face, palm facing you, like you're looking into a mirror. Your left hand stays near your waist, palm up. Slowly shift your weight to your left foot as your right hand floats across your body to the left. At the same time, your left hand rises up. They pass each other like clouds drifting. Repeat this flowing motion side to side, moving as slowly as you can. Breathe deeply. Inhale as you shift, exhale as you settle. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes. Focus on smooth, continuous motion. No stops, no jerks. Just flow. Why it works. Cloud hands trains weight shifting, which is critical for balance. It also opens your hips and shoulders, areas that get stiff with age. Move 2. Parting the wild horse's mane. Don't let the name intimidate you. This move is simple and it's amazing for hip mobility, coordination, and leg strength. Here's how. Start with your feet together.
Step forward with your right foot into a gentle lunge, keeping your back leg straight but not locked. As you step, sweep your right hand forward and up, palm facing up, like you're offering something. Your left hand presses down and back, palm facing down. Hold for a breath, feeling the stretch through your hips and chest. Step back to center, then repeat on the left side. Alternate sides slowly. Do 5 to 10 reps per side. Why it works. This move stretches your hip flexors, strengthens your quads, and trains your body to move in multiple directions at once. It's also great for posture. Move 3. Embracing the tree. Zhang Zhang. This is a standing meditation pose. It looks simple, but it's incredibly powerful for building internal strength and calm. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees slightly, like you're sitting on the edge of a tall stool. Raise your arms in front of you, as if you're hugging a large tree. Your hands should be at chest height, palms facing you, fingers relaxed. Keep your shoulders down, your back straight, and your gaze soft. Breathe slowly and deeply. Just stand and hold. Start with 30 seconds. Work up to 2 to 3 minutes over time. Why it works. Embracing the tree builds leg strength, improves posture, and trains mental endurance. The longer you hold, the more your mind and body learn to stay calm under challenge. It's like horse stance's gentler cousin, perfect if you're just starting out. Closing. And there you have it. 3 simple, powerful Tai Chi moves you can start practicing today. No equipment, no gym, no pressure. Just you, your breath, and a few minutes of intentional movement. Because here's the truth. After 60, the goal isn't to do more, it's to do smarter. And Tai Chi is about as smart as movement gets. It's gentle on your joints, but tough on weakness. It's calming for your mind, but strengthening for your body. It's ancient, but it's backed by modern science. And most importantly, it works. So if you've been relying only on walking and wondering why you still feel stiff, unsteady, or tired, this might be your answer. Try these 3 moves every day for the next 2 weeks, just 5 to 10 minutes. See how you feel. Notice what shifts not just in your body, but in your mind. And if you want more Tai Chi tutorials, deeper breakdowns, or full routines designed specifically for seniors, let me know in the comments. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Because you're not done growing, you're not done getting stronger, and you're definitely not done living fully. Thanks for watching. Take care of that beautiful body of yours, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, go stand like a tree and feel your roots grow deep.